A very warm welcome to today's lesson, and as you can see from the screen we are looking at the quadratic formula and we have to solve x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Now if you know about factoring, you will notice that that quadratic does not factorize. So one of the methods we can use to solve this is the quadratic formula. Now when I'm using the quadratic formula, the first thing I like to do is to assign the values for a, b, and c. Now a is the coefficient of the x squared term, that is 1. B is the coefficient of the x term, that is 5. And c is the constant, which is 3. Now just be careful when you're assigning these that you check there's no negatives. A lot of students miss negatives when assigning these values. In this particular case, they're all positive values. We can now go ahead and use the quadratic formula. So this is going to be my substitution step. So I won't be performing any calculations at all. All I'm doing is substituting in for a, b, and c. So we've got that minus b, and b is 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared. So that's 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. And that is all over 2a. So that's 2 multiplied by 1. So you notice no calculations whatsoever. And the reason I do that is usually in exams, there is 1 mark assigned for the substitution step. Okay, so what we have is negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared is 25. The 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 is 12. And in that denominator, 2 multiplied by 1 is just 2. So we've got negative 5 plus or minus. Well, 25 minus 12 is just 13. And that's over 2. And I would actually leave my answer like that. So we've got minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 13 over 2. Obviously, if the question asked you to give a decimal answer and you had a calculator, you could plug those values in and get an appropriate decimal answer. If you found this video useful, then remember to give me a quick thumbs up. And if you would like to be notified when I release new videos, then hit that subscribe button and remember to click on the little notification bell.